Today we're going to go about putting the clock spring back in the car, and the amount of turns we get is, starting from the front one there, you got 1.5 turns. So the other way as well, we got 1.5 turns. So we'll pull this apart, we'll put that in and see how she goes. Just on an off topic, you can hear my exhaust. That's the new exhaust system, 2.5-inch exhaust system. Only just got put on a few days ago. If I've still got the original footage of me pulling all that apart and so forth, there'll be a follow-up video with that exhaust system, because the redback system was a fail. Ended up getting a stainless system. Okay, so since I've got 5.5 turns, this should be plenty. I shouldn't have any dramas, but where I would have liked this to end up would have been down here, but that means the steering wheel would have to be upside down for this placement here, because that connection there feeds through that part of the steering wheel, and obviously we've got this part here that's going to stop that. I'm not going to go doing something silly like cutting this here, and so it can fit through the bottom. From as far as I can turn this way, I've come back 2 turns, and that's where it's going to stay. So I get 2 turns that way, and I'm getting 3 turns the other way, because, like I said, because to even it up to come around here, to make it center, I'd be down here, so it's not going to work. But since I already know the steering wheel only turns 1.5 rotation either direction, 2 full rotations of this should be more than enough to not have a drama with it. So we'll continue putting this back together. So I've got a clip back in, but the airbag one I've connected on this side here. I just found it a bit tight to get back on the other side, so no dramas there as long as it's clipped in and secure. Cable coming back around here. Battery's disconnected at the moment, so I've plugged in the airbag in. Okay, well, she's all back together, she's all working. No more airbag light, cruise control works again, everything's happy, even indicator. We're all good. So it was a success, I'm happy about this. Only time will tell if it's going to last, but for now I can turn it all the way, both ways, and I have no problems with that. Ribbon. So aircon, cruise control on, cruise control off. Everything's happy, so I'm very pleased with that. Good outcome. Okay, so once again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.